light symbolizes hope and positivity for me. It is a reminder to stay optimistic even in the difficult times.
Light signifies to me happy and joyness in my life, and also cherish me with good memories.
Light to me means guidance and direction. It helps me navigate through life challenges.
Light means joy and happiness to me. It brings in a lot of brightness to my life.
For me, it's a source of peace and tranquility. It comforts me during stressful times.
I dream of becoming a national karate athlete and also an outstanding lawyer to helping those in need.
In the future, I aspire to be a lawyer. I want to be able to help my community and provide legal aid to as many people as I can.
For me, I aspire to be a successful person who helps and also to achieve my goals, which is to become a successful software developer.
I hope to become a social worker, helping those in need and making a positive impact in my community.
Academically, I want to graduate as a chemical engineer, and in sports-wise, I want to qualify for the 2028 Los Angeles Olympics.
What sparks me is the drive to make my parents proud and to help those in need.
Since young, I've always wanted to play badminton and represent the country to qualify for the Olympics. And I think this is a time for me to show that I can do it.
My family is the one who actually motivates and also my inspiration so that I could become a very successful person in the future.
People spark me to pursue my dreams.
My love for the nation and the people that resides in it, and of course my need or my passion to give back something to the nation that has given me a lot since birth. This Deepavali, remember that even a small act of kindness can light up someone's life. So let's spread positivity and hope together.
This Deepavali, let's strive for greatness. Together we light up the future.
Let's focus on making our loved ones proud this Deepavali. By supporting one another, we can create a brighter and better future.
So this Deepavali, let's celebrate our differences and find joy in every moment.
Prioritize mental health this Deepavali and allow everybody to have fun and have a good time with their family, friends and everybody. Wishing you a prosperous and joyous happy Deepavali to one and all.
Hi, happy Deepavali to all and happy holidays and drive safe.
உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் என் தீபாவளி நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். Let's all have a great time for this Deepavali.
என் இனிய தீபாவளி நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள் and happy Deepavali to all.
Happy Deepavali to everyone from Help University. Have a great celebration.
Happy Deepavali. In India, Tal Deepavali Nalvarthikal.
Happy Deepavali and enjoy your holidays.
Happy Deepavali and light up your dreams.
எல்லாருக்கும் இனிய தீபாவளி நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள் and happy Deepavali everyone.